So we're here on the Saxdor 460 GTC. It would be absolutely remiss of me not to show you this fantastic boat that was launched here at Dusseldorf on Saturday. This is a 46-foot cruiser, still with the Saxdor Performance DNA, triple engines on the back, but this is a boat that you can certainly cruise with your family. Fold down terraces, hammocks, everything. I mean, if ever there was a boat that epitomised the Saxdor term, your private island, I think this is it. So there we have it. I hope you enjoyed those short glimpses of this fantastic Saxdor 460 GTC. We haven't gone into too much detail right now, but when we get a boat on the water, we will go into further detail and do a video walkthrough. In the meantime, if the boat is of interest, please do get in touch. My name is Rob Seabourne. I'm the Saxdor brand sales manager for Argo Yachting. We are the dealers for Saxdor in the Balearic Islands, southern Spain and northern Germany. So please get in touch and I look forward to speaking to you.